How to get 75% off Wayfair coupon codes. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Here you're going to find the search box, type in Wayfair coupon codes and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, couponfollow.com. This is a genuine website where you're going to find amazing offers and deals for Wayfair. Once you're on the website, just scroll down and check out the offers. $20 off, $300 off, 60% off and many more. Here towards the offer that you want to grab, just click on it. With that, you will get the code for it. After you get the code, copy it. Make sure to check the expiration date of the code whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, click on Redeem at Wayfair. You will be directed to the official website of it. Once you're on the website, you can go ahead and log into your account, make your purchase and check out. In the checkout page, you're going to find the section of codes. Over there, type in your code and confirm your purchase. With that, you're going to get the discount. Likewise, you can also give a try to other offers, as in this website you're going to find tons of offers and deals for Wayfair. To grab any of the offer, you have to use same exact steps. Lastly, head back. Once you're in this website section, you can also try out this one website, Groupon, as this is also the genuine website where you're going to find amazing deals and offers for Wayfair. So this way you can easily get up to 75% off working coupon code for Wayfair. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.